She did everything right, paid her bills, filed her taxes, kept her credit clean. But one day her phone rang, and her life unraveled. A debt collector claimed she owed thousands on accounts she'd never opened. Her bank accounts were frozen, her driver's license flagged, and worse, her name was suddenly linked to crimes she didn't commit. She was the victim of identity theft. But here's the twist. She couldn't prove it, and under U.S. law that made her responsible. Identity theft is one of the fastest growing crimes in America. But what most people don't know is how shockingly limited the legal protection really is. Sure, you can file a police report, freeze your credit, even sign up for identity theft protection services. But here's the catch. None of it guarantees your name will be cleared. In fact, in many cases, victims spend months or even years fighting to reclaim their own identity, all while bills pile up and their reputation crumbles. You'd think the law would be on their side. But in many states, unless you can prove beyond doubt that you didn't open those accounts, you could still be held financially responsible. And in rare cases like hers, victims have even been arrested for warrants issued in someone else's name. She didn't lose her wallet. She didn't click a sketchy link. All it took was one data breach and her information was out in the wild. Now here's where it gets even more chilling. Some identity theft protection services make bold promises but hide behind fine print. Many of them don't actually stop identity theft. They just alert you after it's happened. By then the damage is done. And restoring your life, that's up to you, not them. So how do you really protect yourself? Most experts agree. Monitor your credit reports constantly. Freeze your credit with all 3 major bureaus. Never trust a single service to do it all. And most importantly, know your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and Identity Theft and Assumption Deterrence Act. Because when someone steals your identity, the legal system doesn't automatically protect you. Sometimes it punishes you instead. She eventually cleared her name, but it took over 2 years. And she'll never forget how it felt to be treated like a criminal for a crime she didn't commit.